In this video, we'll go over how to schedule a document generation task and configure its settings. To manage the document scheduler, users must be granted permission. One way is to add them to the document creators user group that provides full access to documents and their categories. I'll start with a report containing 3 parameters and displaying orders between specified dates for specified customers. To schedule a new document generation task, switch to the scheduling screen and click Add Task. The report server supports 2 task modes. For this step, select Document to generate a single document that does not vary depending on who will receive it. Billing statements will be considered later in this video. Give the task a name and choose the document to be generated. Then select the way in which the document should be delivered by email. Each email can contain a URL to preview the document, an attached PDF or XLSX file, or a report embedded into email body as HTML content. Specify whether recipients should receive individual emails or a common email with all recipients listed in the To section. Define the date and time at which the task should run. Check the Enabled option to allow the task to run automatically. You can also specify the recurrence options for the task. Click Add Task to create a task and proceed to specifying its other options. The Document Parameters section displays parameters available in the document. You can manually specify a static parameter value. For a date-time parameter, you can also select the calculated type. It calculates a value when running the scheduled task according to the selected point in time. In the Internal Subscribers section, specify which of the required users should receive emails by the scheduled task. These subscribers must be granted at least minimum permissions to access this task. You can also define any number of external subscribers to each scheduler task. Delimit them by commas, semicolons, or new lines. The next section allows you to export documents to various formats and share these documents by placing them to a local or remote folder. Specify paths for the files separated by commas. In the file names, you can use special placeholders to insert the current year, month, day, etc. You can immediately execute this task by clicking Execute Now. Switch to the scheduling screen and check to see the task. Click the Show Generated Documents button on the task tile to look at the document. You can also customize any of the task's options or delete the task along with all generated documents. Let's create one more scheduled task, but this time select the billing statement mode. In this case, the task generates a set of uniform documents that are tailored to specific recipients. Name the task, select the same document, and click Add Task. In the Parameters Binding section, you need to specify a data model and a data member storing recipient emails. You can also specify a data field containing recipient names that will appear in the email's header. In the Document Parameters section, specify values for date-time report parameters as you did before. Before the Customer parameter, select Bound in the drop-down list to supply a parameter value from the specified data source. Click Save, execute the created task, and switch to the scheduling screen. Click the Show Generated Documents button on the task tile, then click Show Created Documents. This screen contains all documents personalized using report parameters. You can preview each report by clicking the Preview button. And that's it for this video. To learn more about our report server, check out the documentation on our website or watch more videos from our playlist. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing DevExpress.